Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So, you know, it's Monday, so I want to first thank y'all, everybody that's subscribed to the videos, everybody that's subscribed, everybody that's been dropping me a comment. As y'all can tell by the title, we're going to be looking at this 2012 Malibu that I picked up. Picked it up for $850. You know me, I'm not trying to keep as many cars as I used to, or just going crazy buying cars like I used to. So I'm trying to just basically just keep like 4 cars at the minimum, at the most, you know, no more than 4. Because when I have too many cars, um, when you have too many cars, you just really don't be willing to deal with it, you know, because you never know where to start. You're like, man, do I do this car, that car, the next car, or something? But oh, those rims ain't even the matching rims. I don't think rims really ain't gonna matter if I can just gonna get some hub, because I didn't even pay no attention that they wasn't even matching rims, but I just need a matching rim. But yeah, we about to look at this 2012 Chevy Malibu. So bumper a little hanging, but that ain't nothing. We're gonna take it to Wilson and have them fix those holes right there. Have them fix those holes and hang that up. It's a 4-cylinder. It's a 2012. It's got 126,000 miles, I believe. We got some damage right there, but I already sent pictures to Wilson. He said he can fix it. It's been sitting up somewhere for a while, you know, because it's got like all this debris, but there ain't nothing that a detail ain't gonna be able to fix, you know. Interior is dirty. Interior is very dirty. Cause I can tell it's been sitting up, but they changed like the mass airflow sensor. So whoever had it before changed the mass airflow sensor. They changed this as well. So they kept their coolant. They had oil in there. They got cans in here, but the seats are very, very dirty. But the AC blowing cold. It just needed some Freon. It wasn't blowing cold when I got it. I already recorded the video, but I ended up deleting it because my phone was having like some storage problems. But I figured out that it was from my Google storage. My storage was, I had like all my old videos backed up into my Google. But I was like, why do I need the old videos that I made on YouTube when I could just go on YouTube and re-download them if I ever need them? But they were all backed up on my Google, so it was taking up all my storage and they wouldn't letting. So I ended up accidentally deleting it. So it's kind of like a remake of the video. Pop the hood. Gotta clean those out. Probably go get a new cable in because it's not getting a good ground. I don't know if the battery, it ain't really that little, like that little, it's supposed to be like green right there, so I don't know if this battery is probably no good from sitting, but I'm gonna clean those cable ends off. Clean those, probably grab a new battery, get it detailed. So definitely gonna need a new battery and detail. My door is locked, but we're gonna take it for a test drive. So y'all get another test drive and see that, we ain't like it's supposed to. Yeah, change oil. That's just normal that we gonna change the oil. Normal that we gonna change the oil. Like that, 120. No service lights on. Shifting good. Yeah, I see it shifting cool. Levels where it is. Got gas. Brakes are good. A little wobble because it does have a donut on there, so you're not really supposed to be driving fast on donuts, even though people do it, but you're not supposed to be driving fast on a donut, You know, basically a donut is basically just to get you to the nearest tire shop. I see people all the time on the highways and everything with driving with donuts and stuff like that, because you know, like they tell you the donuts you're not really supposed to go over a certain speed limit, but people do it all the time. You know, it's more basically being safe than sorry. You know. But hey, I see people driving with multiple donuts on their car, so really, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But yeah, we're gonna clean those cables off, and then we're gonna get this to Wilson. I'll probably, I'm gonna sell that Nissan, the Nissan that I'm driving. I'm gonna sell that. Then I'm gonna probably drop this until it sells. I don't know. I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna keep any cars. Eventually, I'm gonna fix the Lincoln. It's just hard finding parts to the Lincoln. Like with Ford putting a patent on their stuff for anything after 07, so basically anything, because you know if people don't know Ford is Lincoln, Lincoln is Ford, and you know, so anything after 07, it's hard to find parts unless you just get them directly from Ford, or you're paying like a Ford third-party company, you know, all this money, and these Lincoln parts ain't cheap. So that's why I haven't even worried about fixing it. I paid $500 for it, so it's sitting there. If it's gonna sit there. It's not hurting nothing sitting up there. I call it a lot filler. It fills my lot. Yeah. We get 2 good pictures for the thumbnail. Maybe get 3. Yeah, like I said, so it's got 2 of the matching rims, but the matching rims really don't mean nothing when you got a hubcap. Oh yeah, and it didn't. Oh yeah, I had to go to the salvage yard and get this button because this button was missing. So, but you know, they were looking like they were keeping up on it with their own oil and stuff like that. They got dishes and stuff, got guns, and we'll get that little mat while I'm at the salvage yard. I'll probably get that little mat if they got it. Get that little mat and try to down there. Oh no, the donut's right there. While I'm talking about the donut's right there, I could just put that donut back here, and I just gotta go get a rim, and then I gotta go put a tire on the rim. But yeah, we're gonna get this one fixed up, and it's gonna be fixed up within a week or so. It's gonna be fixed up within a week or so. Yeah, within a week. But because Wilson's supposed to be done, my brother's Monte Carlo, the SS that y'all seen in the last video. So I'm not trying to keep too many cars over there at Wilson. Not trying to. I mean, I know I can. I know this is something easy. He'll get done really quickly. But I know he don't be. I don't want to just. Let's see. Will it start back, or did we lose connection? Okay, now the battery's still good. So probably just gotta go clean those cables off. We'll clean those cables off. Get some new cable ends, and we'll see. Get some cable ends, oil change. Gotta go get a rim. Get the little mat in the back. So AC is blowing cold though. Let's start it one more time. Let's see if we oh yeah, so I just need to turn the cables. Yeah, I need to go get a key fob too. That doesn't work. Let's try the other one. Okay, so that's how it works. This side doesn't. I don't. Well, oh well. That too much. Probably get a key fob. Yeah, I'll probably just go grab a little key fob. Probably just order one off online. They like $10 or something like that. I don't even think they that much. And it's not that hard to program them to these Chevys. My brother, he does it all the time. You know, or I might just. No, I forgot it ain't. The keys ain't at the salvage yard, so I can't take one off the salvage yard. But let me know in the comment section below, like what have y'all accomplished last week, this week? Oh yeah, second on this van. We'll do a little walk around of that, probably today or tomorrow, or yeah, I might do it today or tomorrow. But I do gotta go run a couple errands right quick. So hopefully, I do have it posted for sale. So hopefully it doesn't sell before I make the video, because I do have some errands to run. But I think it'll still be here. So we'll show y'all. And then I got the white Malibu, but I already had the video. Like I said, I already had the video. So like this white Malibu that I had, this van, and that Malibu, I already had recorded all three of the videos. But like I said, I deleted my footage. What do I need in here? Anything? Did I put the key up? Key. Yep, right there. 2012 Chevy Malibu. But also let me know in the comment section below what new books y'all done read. Anything new that y'all done got done this week. Let me turn my light off right quick. I'll be back. I'm gonna just turn my light off. Let me know. And let me know also, did y'all get it, what y'all wanted to accomplish last week? I sold that Isuzu. You know, the one that we picked up, I sold that one. I sold the Buick, so that was a good week. I talked to a couple people. I met some new people. Learned some new stuff. Met some new people, learned some new stuff. Dang, what a... Gotta put this key back. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna drop some more videos for my other channel, Try This with JJ. So if you haven't already, go to the little tab up there on my channel. It'll say channels, and then it's just Try This with JJ. It's just me trying different stuff, me trying different stuff, and just enjoying life and trying new stuff, man. What everybody should do. That's my advice, best advice I can give you out, man. Go out there, live your life, enjoy, try something that you haven't before. Let me know also in the comment section below what y'all think I could sell that Malibu for, what you'll sell it for, what the Malibus in your area going for. It's a 2012, 120,000 miles, 126,000 miles. And also, I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow in another video. I might show y'all in tomorrow's video or the upcoming video of how to get the price for a vehicle, and how you can maximize the most money. How I can show you how I can maximize the most out that vehicle. If I don't want to outright sell it cash. So I'll show y'all that in the comment section below on how I can really make a bag off this car. If y'all want to know that how I can really make a bag, a good whop out, I'm gonna let y'all know. Just drop the little money bag emoji in the comment section below if you watched this far. I appreciate y'all. I'm out. Peace. I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out.